Samsung is finally doing it. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has been going through a controversy right now regarding the display. Some people have been reporting that the S24 Ultra's display is not as vivid as it used to be. It's something that I haven't personally noticed while I was using the S24 Ultra. It's only when I compared it side by side to the S23 Ultra from last year, I saw that there's actually a little less saturation than before. It's not a huge deal as some people are making it to be, and it's completely fixable because Samsung has officially responded. They have acknowledged the issue and they're working on the fix with the next update. With this update, we're going to see slightly more boosted colors in the vivid profile, although for me personally, the display colors seem very natural and I don't have any complaints, but for some people, this is going to be a good thing. Now, Samsung has also responded to another big concern regarding the Galaxy AI features. Starting in 2025, you will have to pay for the Galaxy AI features. They will no longer be completely free. Samsung has finally cleared the confusion, explaining that not all Galaxy AI features will require a paid fee. It's only the most powerful AI features that may not be required by everyone. Those will have some added fee attached to them, but currently pretty much all the AI features on the S24 Ultra, in 2 years, these features will probably still remain completely free, which is definitely a great news. This makes me very exciting because if Samsung is asking for money for AI features in 2025, they're definitely going to bring some really good, amazing new AI features that will probably be worth that money. Now, speaking of money, I never thought this day would come, but Samsung is actually working on a cheaper version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The codename for this device is rumored to be Bingo, and the name could be Galaxy A Fold or the Z Fold 6 FE. We're not really sure about the name, but the internal number Q6A points to a Z Fold 6 FE probability. Samsung has always put those flagship level budget devices in their fan edition category, so this is indeed a great news, and I think it's the perfect time to introduce a fan edition fold. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.